Hey! If you're scrambling to make Christmas and New Year cards that actually wow people, I've got you. Here are my top 5 paper crafting ideas, all fast, festive, and totally giftable. Grab some cardstock, tape, and your favorite cozy drink. Let's count it down. Number 5. Washi tape tree line. I take a blank card and run 3 to 5 strips of green washi in different lengths to make a row of tiny trees. Then I add small triangles or star stickers on top. A gold gel pen for trunks and snow dots. Done. Tip: angle the tape slightly so it looks hand-drawn and artsy, not perfect. Add merry and bright in a swoop at the bottom. Number 4. Watercolor night sky. I brush water over the top half of watercolor paper, drop in blues and purples, and let it bloom. While it's damp, I sprinkle a little salt for star texture. When dry, I flick white paint for snow, stamp or hand letter Happy New Year, and mount it on black cardstock. Tip: tape the edges to a board so it dries flat and looks pro. Number 3. Pop-up gift box surprise. Outside, clean and simple bow illustration. Inside, a pop-up cube. I cut a small square, score 4 sides, snip 1 corner, fold into a box, and glue tabs. Add patterned paper wrapping and a tiny paper bow. When the card opens, the box pops forward. Tip: place the pop-up along the center fold, test close before gluing. Write "open" for joy, near the edge so they pull it wide. Number 2. Shaker snow globe. I die cut or trace a circle window on the card front, glue clear acetate behind it, add a foam tape ring, and fill with sequins or paper confetti. Seal with a backer circle that has a tiny village or a snowman drawing. Add a craft paper base so it reads snow globe. Tip: double stack foam tape for better shake. Use anti-static powder to stop sequins from sticking. Number 1. Quilled evergreen and fireworks combo. For Christmas, I roll thin green paper strips into tight coils, pinch into teardrops, and glue them into a layered tree with a gold star. For New Year, I switch to bright strips, pink, blue, gold, and roll loose coils, then pinch and fan them into mini fireworks bursting around 2026. Tip: if you don't have a quilling tool, use a toothpick. A tiny dab of glue seals every coil. Finishing touches that level up any card. Edge ink. Swipe an ink pad lightly around the card for instant depth. Dimension. Pop dots under sentiments make everything look boutique. Hand lettering hack. Write in pencil. Trace with pen. Erase. Envelope magic. Repeat one element, like a washi stripe or a tiny star, so it all matches. If you try any of these, snap a pic before you gift it. Trust me, they disappear fast. Happy crafting, happy holidays, and may your mailbox be full of sparkle. See you in the next one.